Dude, we tried to put her on a leash to take her outside once. We should try to do that again today.
I put my cat on a leash before and the dog came, so I let go of her.
Dude, you're so mean.
No, I didn't mean
Animal
to.
cruelty. Poor cat.
I know where you live.
Of course you do.
Get in the shirt. This cat's gonna kill me in my sleep.
Oh, you poor thing.
Your cat killed me. I'm bleeding.
No, it didn't.
No.
BB, it's so pretty. I'm sorry. Do you want to go out? Go. Go.
Your kitty scratched me like really
Good.
bad.
You're mean.
I went to grab the shirt.
You're mean. Say goodbye.